Home remedies for strep throat. The sharp pains that occur as a swallow with strep throat are the worst. Foods and drinks can be tough to consume. This condition is most common in children and teenagers between the ages of 5 and 15. But strep can affect anyone. It spreads when you share fluids with someone who has it like by drinking from the same glass or sharing utensils. Gargle with salt water. Salt with water is the best remedy to deal with your throat problems. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into 8 ounces of warm water. Take a sip, lift your head back and gargle the mixture in your throat to relieve pain. Remind your kids to spit out of the water instead of swallowing it. Drink warm tea. Warm liquid that you can drink for strep throat relief is warm tea because of all the antioxidants found in a variety of different teas. Some great tea options that you should drink throughout the day to put your sore throat at ease include the chamomile, ginger, peppermint, honey, lemon, licorice root, slippery lemon. Honey. Raw honey raises antioxidant levels in the body, which helps boost the immune system, and its consistency has long been used to ease sore throats. Studies have found that medical grade honey can fight some of the bacteria that cause infections. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has powerful healing compounds such as acetic acid, which can kill harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Lemon oil. Lemon oil has antibacterial properties and has been shown to limit the growth of antibiotic-resistant bacterial strains. Add 1 to 2 drops to a glass of water or herbal tea.